Priscilla Hayner, who's written really the definitive book about truth commissions, the most recent edition from 2010. And she describes truth commissions as having 5 characteristics. One is that they're focused on the past rather than on ongoing events. So they don't provide kind of ongoing monitoring of what's happening within a country. They're not some kind of ombudsperson's office that people might go to for ongoing concerns. They're looking at past human rights violations. Given the state of polarization in American politics right now, getting people to the table is going to be difficult. People who should be part of the conversation. From the so-called alt-right movement, should be there. Lots of community level efforts, like Greensboro, like in Tulsa, efforts that many of you in the audience have been involved in your own communities, that probably provide a better model for us right now. And so what I would advocate is more of kind of a bottom-up, trying to look at very local level issues and trying to build that understanding than to try to start big.